Welcome to our meter counting winder, a wire processing equipment designed with automation and efficiency in mind. This personalized and meticulously crafted winder neatly sorts and precisely cuts all types of wires and cables. The main advantage of the meter counting winder lies in its outstanding automation capabilities. Not only can this device automatically cut wires, but it also ensures stability during the winding process, reducing the chances of tangling or disorder. No manual operation is required. You only need to set the parameters, and the machine will do the rest, neatly organizing the wires. Our meter counting winder is your ideal partner for wire processing. Whether you're producing wires or cables, it can help you achieve efficient, accurate production. It is committed to enhancing production efficiency, reducing labor costs, and giving you a competitive edge in the intense wire and cable market. If you're looking for a device that can improve work efficiency and accurately cut wires, our meter counting winder definitely deserves your consideration. It can not only help improve your company's production efficiency, but also automate your workflow, providing you with unparalleled